Good morning students. So we are going to see a new grammar topic in a grammar book. Okay, so this is a grammar book for you from the grammar book. Hereafter I am going to teach you the grammar. In our English textbook I have completed everything from lesson 1 to lesson 5 I have completed. So now I am going to take the English grammar from the English grammar book. So all will be having two books for English, that is a textbook and the grammar book. So in the grammar book I am going to take the grammar topics. Okay, so students, so take your notebooks and pens and you have to write whatever I have written. You have to write, you have to follow the separate notebook for the English grammar book. Okay, the topic we are going to see today is the types of adjective. Okay, types of adjective we are going to see in this class. Okay, so before seeing the types of adjective, so what do you mean by an adjective? So this is an adjective. Adjective are the words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. So adjective, there are the words they are used to describe. Okay, they are used to describe or modify. What is this used to describe or modify? It is used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. Okay, it is used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. Okay, the other names of adjective is a describing words. Okay, what's the other name of adjective? It is a describing word. Okay, adjective are the words that are used to describe or modify the nouns or the pronoun. Okay, so I have written some example. The garden had a beautiful flowers. The garden had beautiful flowers. So in that, what is an adjective here? So here the adjective is a beautiful. So beautiful is the adjective here. So it describes the noun garden. The garden had a beautiful flower. In this, beautiful is the adjective. So the adjective beautiful is describes the noun garden. The second one, I bought some colorful balloons. I bought some colorful balloons. In that, which is the adjective here? The adjective is colorful. So colorful is the adjective here. So here the adjective is colorful. So this adjective is describes the pronoun I. Okay, so adjective here is the colorful. So this adjective is describes the pronoun I. I only bought the colorful balloon. So it describes the pronoun I. Okay, so here beautiful and colorful are the adjective here. Okay, now you have to find out the adjectives. Okay, so see this image. So this is a you have to circle the adjective. Okay, circle the adjective in the following sentences. Also underline nouns or pronoun that the adjective describes. So here we have to circle the adjective. Okay, and also we have to underline the nouns or pronouns that the adjective describes. Okay, so you have to circle the adjective and have to underline the nouns and pronouns that describes adjective. Okay, now we can see that. So this is a question. See this one exercise. Okay, first one. So Risha has 4 cats and 2 dogs. Here what's the adjective here? The adjective is 4, 2. 4, 2 or the adjective here. Here what's a noun? Cats and dogs are the noun. Okay. 4 is the adjective. What I have written in the first one, it's an adjective. Okay, 4 is an adjective. So 4 it describes the noun cat. Okay, and 2 it describes the noun dog. So what I am written in the first one, it's an adjective. The second one, after the hyphen, what I am written is the nouns or pronouns that describes the adjective. The second one is, can you explain the third problem in this exercise? Here the adjectives is third is the adjective. Third, so it describes the noun, that is problem. Third, problem. Okay, and this is the adjective. Okay, this is an adjective. So exercise is a noun. So third is an adjective and problem. So this is a noun that describes the adjective. This is the adjective here. Exercise is a noun that describes the adjective. This, okay. So see, Mr. Reddy is a pious man. So here the adjective is pious. Pious is the adjective. The adjective is pious. So it describes the noun man. Okay, man is the noun here. It describes the noun man. Then fourth one, there is a rectangular box on the wooden table. There is a rectangular box on the wooden table. So here the rectangular is an adjective. It describes the noun box. Rectangular. Rectangular is an adjective and box. Okay, box is the noun that describes the adjective rectangular. The next one, wooden. So wooden is the adjective here, and so table is the noun here. Wooden is the adjective and table is the noun here. Okay. So here what are the adjective I have mentioned? 4, 2, third, this, pious, rectangular, wooden. So these are all the adjective, that is 4, 2, third, this, pious, rectangular, wooden. So these are all the adjectives here. So first I have written is the adjective. After the hyphen, what I have written? So it describes or modifies the nouns and the pronouns. Okay, students, are you clear with this? So the next, so this is a, okay, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay. The next, so see this image, E, F, G, H, I, J, K are the homework for you. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to circle the adjective and have to underline the nouns or the pronouns that describes the adjective. That describes the adjective. So with seeing this example, you have to do that as the homework. E to K have to do as the homework. Okay, students, so we have seen what is an adjective, and also we have seen some of the exercises and also examples. Okay, now we are going to enter into our topic, the types of adjective. Okay, so how many types of adjectives are there? There are about 7 types of adjectives. There are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and last distributive adjective. Okay, so the type of adjectives are types of adjective. Types of adjective, there are 7 types of adjective. They are, first one, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, third one, adjective of number, fourth one, possessive adjective, fifth one, demonstrative adjective, sixth one, interrogative adjective, seventh one is the last one, that is distributive adjective. So these are the 7 types of adjective, that is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and last one distributive adjective. Okay, now we shall see these ones. Okay, now see this image. So these are the, in this tabular column they are given the adjective and their usage, and also they are given the examples. Okay, so now see this image. First one, it's a adjective of quality. Okay, for adjective of quality, so what usage they are given? It answers the question what kind. Okay, the adjective of quality is answers for the question what kind, like size, color, shape, material, special quality. So these are some of the things that comes under the what kind. The adjective of quality is answers for the question what kind. Okay, what kind. So it adjective of quality is answers for the question what kind, that is size, color, shape, material, special quality. So now we can see the example. The school has a big playground, a yellow building, circular corridors and helpful teacher. So the words that are written in the red are the adjectives here, adjective of quality. The words that are written in the red are the adjectives of quality. Okay, so big it's come under the size, yellow which comes under the color, circular which comes under the shape, and helpful it comes under the special quality, helpful which comes under the quality. Okay, so what are the words? So what are the words they are using? Tall, red, triangular, foolish. These are some of the examples of the adjective of quality. Okay, the adjective of quality is answer for the question what kind, like size, color, shape, material, special quality. Next we are going to see about the adjective of quantity. Okay, adjective of quantity, it's answer the question how much. Okay, adjective of quantity answer for the question how much. Okay, how much. Okay, it is generally used with the uncountable nouns. Okay, it is adjective of quantity is generally used with the uncountable nouns. Now we can see the example. A lot of water got wasted because of leakage. Here the words that written in the red or the red color or the adjective of quantity. A lot of is the adjective of quantity. How much the water wasted? A lot of water. It answers for the questions how much the water wasted. A lot of water got wasted. Okay, so the some of the example words are more, some, little, enough, much, lot of. So you have to keep it the mind. These are the words that are the adjectives of quantity. More, some, little, enough, much, a lot of. Okay. Then next, third one is adjective of number. Adjective of number. So it answers for the question how many or what position. Okay. So adjective of number. So see this image. This is an image that consists of adjective, usage, and also the example of the remaining part. Okay. So the adjective of number, it answers for the questions how many. Next, what position. Okay, what position. So adjective of number, it answers for the questions how many or what position. So okay, what position. So it answers for this question. So it is generally used with the countable nouns. Okay, the adjective of number is generally used with the countable nouns. Okay, the examples are, there are 5 mistakes in the assignment. The words that are written on in the red color are the adjective of number. Okay, 5 is the adjective of number. Karima secured the first place in the dance competition. So in what position the Karima secured? They are asking about this one. What position? It's a first position. Okay, first place. What position? What position did Karima win the match? Karima secured the first place. What position? First place. Okay, it answers for the question what position. The answer is first place. Okay, here first is the adjective of number. Okay, here some of the words they are given as an example one. that is 25, many, last, first, tenth or the adjective of numbers. Okay. The next one, possessive adjective. So here see it answers the question whose. Okay. Possessive adjective is answer for the question whose. Possessive adjective, it answers for the question whose. Okay, the example are her handwriting is very beautiful. So here is the possessive adjective. Our country believes in peace and harmony. Our country believes in peace and harmony. Here our is the possessive adjective. So here they are given the some of the words of our possessive adjective, that are my, his, her, their, yours, ours, its are the possessive adjective. So you have to see to the words also. My, his, her, their, yours, ours, its are the possessive adjective. So it all answers for the questions whose. Okay. So the examples also they are given. Her handwriting is very beautiful. Here is the possessive adjective and our is the possessive adjective. The next one, demonstrative adjective. It answers the question which one. Okay, it answers the questions which one. Which ones? So demonstrative adjective, it answers for the question which ones. Okay, the example words are this, that, these, those. Okay, demonstrative adjective, what are the words? This, that, these, those are the demonstrative adjective. Now we can see the example. That table need to be replaced. That is the demonstrative adjective. Those flowers are bloomers. Those flowers are bloomers. So here those is the demonstrative adjective. The words are this, that, these, those. The next one, interrogative adjective. So it is used to ask questions. Okay, the interrogative adjective. So it is used to ask question. It is used to ask. It is used to ask your questions. What are the question words you come across? It is used to ask questions. You all will be knowing the question words. Okay, what are the question words? What, whose, which. So if these one or that, it is known as a interrogative adjective. What, whose, which are the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective, it is used to ask the questions part only, like what, whose, which. It is followed by a noun. The example words are whose advice should I follow. Here whose is the interrogative adjective. They are asking the question with the WH word, that is whose. The next one, what color is the saree? What color is the saree? Here they are asking the WH question as what. Here whose and what are the interrogative adjective. The next one, distributive adjective. Distributive adjective, so it is the usage is it refers to an individual thing or person among many. When they are many in number, they are referring to the individual person or individual thing. For that we will be using the distributive adjective. Okay, what are the words they are given? Each, every, either, neither. Okay, these are some of the words which comes under the distributive adjective, that is each, every, either, neither. So when there are many in number, they are referring to a particular person or a particular thing. That's known as the demonstrative, that is known as a distributive adjective. Okay, the example words are each product has its MRP mentioned in the brochure. Okay, each, here each is the distributive adjective. Here each is the distributive adjective. Every classroom should have a projector. Here each is the distributive adjective. So when there are many in number, they are referring to a particular person or a particular thing. For that we will be using a distributive. Okay, so distributive adjective. So for that, refer to an individual refer to an individual thing or person. It may be anything, refers to an individual thing or a persons when they are refers to an individual thing or persons among many. Okay, among many. When many, if many members of the, they are referring to the individual thing or the individual person. For that we will be using the distributive adjective. Students, have you all well cleared in the type of adjective? How many types of adjective are there? There are 7 types of adjective. First one, adjective of quality. It answers for the question what kind. Okay, now we can see the example words alone. The example words are tall, red, triangular, foolish. These are the adjective of quality. Then adjective of quantity, it answers for the question how much. Okay, how much. The example words are more, some, little, enough, much, a lot of. Okay, these are some of the example words of adjective of quantity, how much. Okay, next third one is the adjective of number. It answers for the questions how many or what position. Okay, how many. Numbers means how we will say how many. You will be asking the question how many only. We should not confuse with this too. This is how much. Adjective of quality, how much. Adjective of number, how many. Okay, for number we will be using only how many or what position. Okay, the example words are 25, many, last, fifth, first, 10th. Okay, these are some of the example words. The next fourth one is the possessive adjective. Possessive adjective answers for the question whose. Okay, it answers for the question whose. The example words are my, his, her, their, your, our, its. Okay, these are all the some of the example words of the possessive adjective. Its answer for the question whose. Okay, example words are my, his, her, their, yours, our, its. Okay, the next one, the fifth one is the demonstrative adjective. It answers for the question which one. Okay, which one. So the example words are this, that, these, those. If these words comes in the adjective, have to mention this adjective as the demonstrative adjective. The example words are this, that, these, those. The next one is the sixth one is the interrogative adjective. Sixth one is the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective, it is used to ask questions. Okay, what are the question words? That is a WH question words. The interrogative adjective, it is used to ask questions like what, whose, which are the example words. Okay, next one, distributive adjective. So distributive adjective means what? So it is refers to the individual persons or things among many. When many members are there, referring to a individual persons or things, that is known as the distributive adjective. The example words are each, every, either, neither are the distributive adjective. Okay, students, have you cleared with these 7 types of adjective? So in the book back exercise also they are dealing with these types of adjective only. There are 7 types of adjective. They are asking one by one, they are asking. So have you all well cleared with the types of adjective? So I hope you understand it. And what we have seen about the adjective. What's an adjective? Adjective is a word that describes or modifies the nouns or the pronoun. Okay, this is an adjective. Okay, how many types of adjective are there? There are 7 types of adjective. So one by one we have seen it. So you have to get clear with the example words. I have told no. In the tabular column they have written some of the example words. Now that words have to be get cleared with that. Okay, now we shall see the book back exercise of this grammar. Okay, so now see this image. So this is the second one. Underline the adjective in the following sentences. Also mention their types in the space provided. So I have to read a sentence. I have to underline the adjective. So you have to mention what types of adjective. So in the space they are provided. Now in the space you have to write the what types of adjective you have to write. So you have underlined one adjective. Now for that adjective, what's the type of adjective, like that you have to write in the space provided. Okay, the first, In the second exercise A1, there was enough milk in the can. So here what is an adjective? Enough is the adjective. Okay. Students, you have to write everything in your notebook. Whatever I have written in the grammar, you have to write everything. So it will be very useful for your examination. So please write it in your notebook, whatever I have written on the board. Okay. There are enough money in the can. Okay. So here enough is the adjective here. Okay. So can you tell me what type of adjective it is? It is an adjective of quantity. Okay. In the space provided, you have to write adjective of quantity. So you have to write it fully. Okay. In a short form I am returning ADJ means adjective. In a short form I am returning. You have to write it in a full form. Adjective of quantity. Okay. Then B, what color are his eyes? What color are his eyes? Here what are the adjective? What is the adjective? Okay. Here what it's a what type of adjective? It's an interrogative adjective. Okay. What is the interrogative adjective? Okay. And another one adjective is also there. What is it? His. His is what? It comes under what adjective? His is the possessive adjective. Okay. His. Enough is adjective. What is the adjective? And his is the adjective. His is the possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Then C. There are a few chocolate left in the fridge. The adjective is few. Okay, few is the adjective. It comes under adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Then D. Yuvraj Singh is a left-handed batsman. Okay. Yuvraj Singh is a left-handed batsman. Here what is an adjective? It's a left-handed. Left-handed. Okay, left-handed is the adjective. Left-handed. So can you tell me what type of adjective it is? It is the adjective of quality. So he has a quality of left-handed. Okay, left-handed, it comes under the adjective of quality. So Yuvraj Singh is the person, he has a quality of left-handed. Left-handed batsman. He can bat in a left hand. So it's a special quality in him. Okay. So it's an adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Okay. Adjective of left-handed is adjective of quality. Then next E. Each participant got 5 minutes for the program. So here what's the adjective here? Each is the adjective here. Each which comes under what types of adjective? It's a distributive adjective. Distributive adjective. Okay, and also another one adjective is there. What is this? It is a 5. Okay, 5 is there. No, 5, it's what type of adjective? It's an adjective of number. Adjective of number. Then F. This house was designed by a famous architect. Okay, this house was designed by a famous architect. Okay, here what are the adjective here? This is the adjective. Okay, this is the adjective. So this it comes under demonstrative adjective. Okay, demonstrative. This which comes under the demonstrative adjective, and famous is the adjective of quality. Famous is the adjective of quality. Okay. So this is the demonstrative. The famous is the adjective of quality, and GH is the homework for you. Okay, so you have to do G and H as the homework. You have to underline the adjective, and for the underlined adjective you have to write the types of adjective. Whatever you have underline for that underlined adjective you have to write down the types of adjective in the space provided here. So you have to do G and H as the homework. With the help of this you have to do. So students, please copy down these things in your notebook. Okay, now we can do the third exercise. So see here, the third exercise is complete the sentence using the adjective given in the box. Indicate the types of adjective in the second column. So in the box they are given the list of adjectives. So in the fill in the blanks you have to choose the correct adjective. After you are filling the correct adjective, you have to write down the types of adjective. Okay, here we have in the first exercise the adjectives are already given. We have to just underline the adjective, but here we have to write down the adjective and also have to write down the types also. Okay, third exercise. So first one, a bear make dash territory by rubbing against a tree. So in the box, what are the adjective given? Many, these, overcooked, which, its, consolation, some, neither. These are some of the adjectives they are given. So we have to write it in a correct one. Okay, a bear make its territory by rubbing against a tree. Okay. Third, its. So its, which comes under what adjective? It's a possessive adjective. Okay, possessive adjective. B, dash accusations is true. Neither. Okay, neither. Neither, which comes under what types of adjective? It's a distributive adjective. Okay, distributive adjective. Then third one, dash participants own the dash prize. Many. Okay, many. Okay, many means what? Which comes under adjective of quantity. Okay, adjective of quantity. And consolidation. Okay, next one is the it's, you have to write. Okay, consolation. Okay, consolation is the adjective of quality. Adjective of consolation is the adjective of quality. Then D, Rita does not like overcooked potatoes. Okay, overcooked is the adjective of quality. Okay, adjective of quality. Then E, dash paintings are very beautiful. These paintings. Okay, these paintings are beautiful. These, which comes under the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. And F, dash book would you like to read? The answer is which book you like to read, which comes under the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. Then G, I borrowed dash money from the bank. I borrowed some money from the bank. It comes under adjective of quantity. Sums, which comes under the adjective of quantity. Students, copy down these in your notebook. So see this one, this is a fourth exercise. So complete the following sentences with appropriate adjective of the types mentioned in the bracket. So in the bracket they are mentioning the types, you have to fill in the correct one. So in the bracket they are given the types of adjective. Okay, for that you have to write the correct one. Okay, fourth A dash, you have to write a distributive one. In the space you have to write in a distributive adjective. Participant need to score dash, for that you have to write the number points. So the answer is, for the distributive you have to use each. Okay, each participant needs to score dash, you have to write a number. You can write down any number. Okay, 5. I am writing it as 5. Each participants need to score 5 points. Okay, each participant need to score 5 points. Okay, then B, the dash, have to write it quality. Spider fell on dash, possessive, have to write it a possessive one, shoulder. The black spider fell on my shoulder. Okay, so you have to write any quality. So I am mentioning it as color. Okay, the black spider fell on my shoulder. You have to write in a possessive one. So I am writing mine. Okay, then C, D, E, F for the homework for you. C, D, E, F are the homework. Okay, have to do it as a homework.